paperwork in here I don't want to lose. Nothing's lost out of there. I usually check this every time I go riding, and I forgot to check this time. It looks like nothing's got lost. Well, if you guys can't tell by the noise, I got some new pipes. Got the Vance & Hines Cruisers. Pretty good looking little pipes. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I think they're breaking in. I can hear them clicking. Really? Well, hello guys, it's Cruiser Bruiser. Out for a little evening ride on this glorious day. Got a break in the weather and it feels pretty good today. It's about mid-50s, which is a lot better than what we've had lately. It's been in the 30s every day. So I finally got a decent day to ride. Got this Senna on my head that I'm not used to. It keeps getting caught on my jacket. I'll get used to it though. After the ride, if there is a delicious crispy sound coming from your tailpipe, yeah, that's a little bit of shake and bake. Got some Vance & Hines Cruisers on this little girl. I had the Vance & Hines long shots is what I had before, and I had them cut into short shots, and it kind of sounded a little tractory. It sounded like I was riding a tractor. So I got some new pipes on the little lady here. I might not be going too much faster, you know, might not have gained a whole lot of more horsepower, but it sure does sound like it. Uh-oh, time for a little tunnel. Little rev bomb. Let's get it. Ah, yeah. Texting, texting, texting. Everybody I've seen today has been texting on their phone. Just about. She has a passenger there. Just tell your passenger to say, hey, type this for me. Right here where this restaurant is Parker's. There was a skate park right there on top of the hill. It used to be a skate park, but they turned it into like a fruit stand or some shit. And now it's just an abandoned building. But it had there's a decent skate park around back on the sides. I mean, it's a bunch of wooden ramps and it had a nice concrete bowl in the back. But, I mean, it was nothing to shake a stick at. It was like $5 to skate all day. Didn't have to worry about signing waivers, wearing helmets and all that shit. You just get out there and skate. It was good stuff. And the guy that owned it, just a little FYI, had a strip club. It was the one and only strip club that we've ever had in Dalton. It was called Paper Dolls. And his daughter, I believe, was actually a stripper there too, which is kind of weird. It's kind of weird to let your daughter strip for you. Not really like stripping for him as in she was stripping for him. She just worked for him. That still doesn't sound right. Either way, it's pretty weird to have your daughter work at your strip bar. Oh nice, they redid that building. Wonder what it is now. It's got newspapers all over the wall. That's La Esperanza, I guess it's called. It's Mexican bread, like homemade bread. Holy shit balls. Shit is amazing. If you ever want some good homemade, like any kind of breads at all, like any kind of pastries or bread, go to these little Mexican homemade bread stores if you have any in your area. Freaking delicious. I wonder if they're doing testing at the DMV. The motorcycle testing. I need to find out. I actually need to stop anyway and get a book for my wife. Because I am not letting her out on the road until she has taken the MSF course. I got her the bike so I can kind of show her the basics on my own, and just to see if she's going to like it before I pay the $200 for her to take the MSF course. Because I don't want to teach her on my own, because that's one of the worst things you can do. Pretty much anybody will advise against teaching someone you know or a loved one how to ride. It's like one of the worst decisions you can make. Because a lot of the times if they're with someone they don't feel comfortable riding when they're with someone they know, or especially like if they're married to them, they get frustrated, they argue. And especially my wife, I mean, I tried to teach her how to drive a stick shift and she was crying 5 minutes into it. It was nothing major. It's not like we were yelling and arguing. I was just trying to show her what to do, and she just got frustrated and started crying. Women stuff. So yeah, I'd much rather have her actually full-on learn taking the MSF course. I'm gonna get her a book, that way she can at least have the knowledge, you know, and go ahead and take her permit. That way I could take her somewhere to like a back road, or like a crap, a freaking helmet keeps getting stuck. Take her to a back road or a parking lot somewhere. Go ahead and have her with the